have this plate nice and tight.
Texas wanted the Distribution Standards Group to evaluate RS poles as a company and their pole systems for potential use on our system. So I've been working with AEP Texas to kind of coordinate that effort.
No, hit her again. Hit her a couple more good.
We want to make sure that the operating company has everything they need to install this system on their field trial so that we can correctly evaluate the product. So part of that is usually involves training.
High RPM, yeah, training.
So RS offered to send some of their representation down here to train the business partners and also the internal crews so that they could be familiar with the pole systems, handle them safely, things like that. Obviously, the bread and butter is usually the wood pole, right? That's what everybody's kind of familiar with. But RS is another manufacturer that makes a composite pole. It's as an alternative to wood. The main selling point is, potentially using them in a backyard where you don't have a whole lot of access. For larger poles, right? They're harder to transport. These come nested if you order them that way. So that's kind of the evaluation that we're looking at with this particular company. We're always keeping our eyes open for newer technologies that other utilities have implemented, right, to see if that's a good fit for AEP. So that's just one of those processes.